The other day I was asking instrument habwencha abana bari mu wing yawe tingo manya naboja ekizobe kibine naboja those abana bari yobona think hamya high no in the management bono bakora music yoko bashemeza but tibine certain team eriko exploring the business side of their music.
What new generation ya Bowman.
There is another guy called Labella Music.
Labella Music. Ni bamweto wa Bowman no?
Bowman Aremachi.
I've not met him. I know one can meeting once. Or instrument, yes, I met him once an instrument, but we didn't have a conversation. We were high no movie, platinum movie print here. So he has a song, but you want check. That's the generation in him. So man,
or cross generation or
man mungambe bya muninya munyonyi. Man murani munga okondujire okare okotin
Valentino mwana katera Valentino kajanga YouTube na ibuza is this runyankoro na crowd format song
Valentino wancheke cyatse new style indi mu ebinde ebyo mu enjoying ebene byanyu but me have already moved ahead.
Yeah, so
I'm now enjoying.
So instrumental we need to know those guys from your wing ekiba kubaramu but they need to start exploring the business side of their music ninga si kuchika kupushinga na ku marketing their music but all in all they have good music and it nkitu hano nkakole media we endorse whatever echukorwa mu side yanyu.
And then because Aremachi Simon Eni Labella Music those are the people now.
Amwena the guy Agaba Banjo.
And Agaba Banjo was good.
Yes, all right. It's Sankole Media thing. This I must upload the Sparks anyone savage on it. Yes. Sankole Media TV, thanks for following. Mewa subscribing and bakutambura nitwe. Yeah, and thanks for always keeping up with us. Kana Kaburiju, I've done MVP here. Arahanu yatukumanyira izoba. Oya turetera ki? Done MVP twakwachira Sankole Media once again.
Ne chairman kujangu ahingo bani mbendera ni mwe mukubani munye niendera. We are all available for each other because the core is to create content around our music, from Western Uganda. So that's now a engagement. Actually, we are the engagers, so we set the debate so that people can discuss around the industry.
So the last time what a lot has happened, and in Teka we last met Enyimao and Okano to Gambra about Chinhiro, how it was going to blow. So stand Chinhiro, most recent. Chinhiro Chikabao. Like, what do you make of whatever happened there? Were the numbers appetizing ninga chiburam?
Echiniro chikachi ni mama ntemi tware ibiri ni 12 bana bantu kabanga tware ibiri ni 12. So tware ibiri. I'm talking about ticket sales. I'm not discussing which one. The number of tickets that were sold. Kazi tware ibiri. So ni munku manyabo. So you want to manyabande ibyo ne byawe. So as always, this is an annual event. Echinihiro is not driven by the choice of artists abiwareta. Echinihiro is driven by chikombe kizina lya chokari. Na wachirangirira izoba china abantu bayo. Abatakwenda kumango ino mweshongozoa obo ino they know is actually shimekuwa chirina calendars bakachiri organizing nka public holiday bakamanguri July nerye chiniro because the child chikawakari, so it's expected. What happened to Kacheka, it is expected. It is expected for a brand that has been in the market for the last 25 years, so it has built a following. What
you expected. Then it was still about Gurgobuturgaha. Habara songoro binje munonge be released. Songoro almost nka I think nyonka link says na bwine zikarix nka 30 zebye songoro ebisebisho. But up to now no, the last time up to every day abashongoza mbere zingebye songoro bisi. But nindengateka only like 3 or 2 projects sinzo zarabere. That was project Ibaris in Jinyuma za tipo on Rage. Then a project ya Omega is double release. So tubanza double release ya Omega. Omega yenye mahaka shows Bambi and Bad Energy. That was when alikuza kushohoza still mnanya abana binje bakaba showize but nindekateka thing manya why is it abwencha chiroga up mpango kurugari ba Omega nora Omega Rage tipo na Truth bine gap mpango ibasijisa abantu to the extent Truth we are releasing today. In that very time chirongo za kubachira all over the press project niyo kuba yagize reki niyo kuba yatangire gukora, but when it comes to these other artists they are always struggling.
Ekyo ino kumanya ni ngu Truth, Omega, Regi, T-Paul have been in the market for more than 5 years. So they've built a network, they've built connections for them to ease the work in promotion, which is a challenge to Abasabaroni Beach. So it's a challenge to these upcoming artists who are coming. So that's the main reason the time they've been in the industry is long enough for them to have built a network of people ku maximizing ekintu kyabo kikaza omu katare. So then talking about the double release of Omega, yeah, it's very okay because atiya as an artist you should always provide variety to your followers. Wajireba ebyo jangu nomano shows singles burisha because we bakaba shows singles maybe because of financial constraints akurake eshongoro kamwe umeza ngaro doesn't say, but now if you have access, because as Diagram they have their own studio, they can access any producer they want to produce their project. So why don't you have access to different writers?
So does that mean they can do as much music as they want?
They can do as much music and they have networks of radios.
Takwiza omwe takubuza takwiza kuba overcrowdedness yebyesongoro kasanga nemwe byafero mwe rwagati because nabyo kugera byesongoro byinje bitina family planning.
Yes, in basa kubara value but have you release with strategy. You release with strategy omangu. Of course, by the time they release the double release, wakambaza nkameza abiri ba release injere halo.
Yeah, next week.
Yeah, watch it. So when they release the double release, okashoza muna na nkabambi ebone training everywhere in banchi yam. Atu agambe echo if you go to Nigeria, Burna Boy ya releasing the album last evening. Watch it. So izuka kata kama zebinga releasing album. Songs have to be in the market because your business, what you're serving people is music.
Too much of it.
Yeah. And then that means you're improving your catalog. Wachireba nwaza kweta nka Burna Boy yako izo mu Uganda na waza akora research amanye byeshongore byakwasira mu Uganda. So I said performing ati baria ati ne byeshongore byakwasira muri Asia. Akora chi ari ya perform. So you are catalog nene yemarire because that was mbeshongo zabari international one of hiring no hiring no packages. Okweshongore dakika 15, okweshongore dakika 30, okweshongore sha yona, okweshongore sha 2 mu designing rates. So it was different. So omweshongore na shows here na building catalog yeye kwenda ngu ikintu cyama atwa kuri abeshongoze bukurango yaza kweshongora mu mabaga yari mu mabaga na eshongore byeshongore bibiri hayirukanga zo mu mabaga ndizo aha shoni yakweshongora byeshongore birenge no muri bishatu na rebena wanjira. So it's about improving your catalog kwenda ngu ahoraze oboyine kintu kiri strong.
Yeah, so this is the MVP. I want to gamble about release as video. Then still T-Paul about still the same issue releasing and you want T-Paul are releasing one of the most anticipated she long waited for projects in Regi. So to you, what do you make of their whatever their release and whatever?
Regi working with T-Paul, I have no problem with it because every artist should work with another artist. They have all the right for that partnership. However, what matters now in this music business is strategy. Because as any business, it is a strategy to mind how you're generation releasing your project. Na no kubara impact yazo aha ground. You should forecast when you're making those decisions. So T-Paul working with Regi or Regi working with T-Paul, whether it's a collabo, whether it's a partnership, it's 100% very okay. But the challenge in enable the time of release. So what are they trying to position? Are they positioning it as people na upcoming abe na n'amashanyarazi ga Regi kurabaho because
even if that is not the case akuba gushati na nubiyakuba nanka Eddy Kenzo nabasa gukora na Chameleone, that doesn't mean kugira ngo umwe tari enough, like even two big artists nabasa collaborating on a song. We are here on TikTok live abakusindika request mbe muturekere mukache, but someone has said brother sometimes you behave like Robros. Do you know that the thirst has been too much? The thirst of music ining.
Yeah, so
nagamba thirst ya project ya Regi na Tipo.
Yeah, so nini kuzana. So kitongezo kumanyisa kiri nti what are they trying to position? Are they positioning Tipo as an upcoming or nayetaga amashanyarazi ku declaringa maybe a concert? Washire because me a project yabo I listened to it last week before the actual release. Wachireba, but even kumanya that they have a project in Kachimanya, is it 1 month ago when among they have a collaboration, and that's good. Then release about releasing Kachimanya, is it on Thursday? Mwena shows. Then video Kajireba on a Saturday. Bamba shows achi Sunday. Now I discussed with one of them Mario management na mjangu. There's no reason why you are supposed to release ngeche songora hatiya if you believe Tipo ure myaka 5 yabe na ishongora naenda kora show aina man already
kosa mana gine ya maremya myaka 5 ya maro mu game.
So nyumba recommending nti I would have recommended most strengthening look for the networks that push the music in Western Uganda. Look for the stakeholders that push the music in Western Uganda. Mwamara kubafuna muba energizing mubongere mwaka sente barviving eza butabika barviving eza echimuriroz barviving eza echirabo za story etc za commando. Then this collab for Ray can come maybe a month or mid promotion ya if at all they are going to do the concert. So Boba chose achi.
So the issue is now about release date. Udangu bachire kuire buchirikari.
Bachire kure now. Kano omukuchire kura chacho bachitambicheyo. They didn't do prior marketing. No, before
of course at my Regi na Tipo, for them they look at themselves as big brands. The extent takwetaga any good.
No, that's the stupidity in the industry. Wana na buna boy na ba Wizkid na bakora za teasers for the upcoming releases. You know you just yota kurenga mu boundaries za nkayengu ngongo nanga teenager. So this is going to be like any other collab ya Regi na any other act, because tukachirebera ngo the only successful collab yabasize gukora kana yakajiba ari mukama wayo no forever, but izindi za
hakajiba
the song is for Megaton, but
we shall
hakuzaona najebembeza nke then nanka ya Ruyonga ekanga ya Grenade ekanga. So what next for the Tipo's project? So that's what you should do. So I would be surprised if this project, I would be surprised if this project becomes a hit. No, this I think niko kuoreba kankubuza. The project niko kurompira kwa Man U na Arsenal. We were going to hype before. After the next fixture, we were going to touch gum after the match. So just give this song 1 month.
So still
teenager azenchi sa kumachiriao mamengu chikakorwa.
So ntiza kubaka inombe nare barukunjira ngo even na Omega kakora na Regi, but still nabi bya rock. So should we expect the same?
No, That's why people they make opinions on things they don't know. Omega did not do a song with Ray G. The song was for David Wakabisari. Akakora track yahita Ray G ateka Miraka, Omega Meharisi ateka Miraka, wana Maxima. That's why the song is OSD Wakabisari David. Yeah, so the song is not, it was not a collaboration, it was a song for OSD Wakabi Sari David akufisharinga beshongo zabo. Just like I did a Shuroto, I did Turisha, something like that. So there's nothing like nguja mutamzenjiri ngomega kakora. That's why numa abanakaba ba followers ba awesome family, they follow sheep shire. They don't reason before riding on opinions.
So that is MVP. Gonna tugambira project ya T-Paul na Ray G, and of course ya tujerangu project yonkayo unaza kuba surprised yakora ya hitting nko forever yakozere. So but because that is about anticipation right now, and aminje batu yabagitegerize kunka hype neza koreka kucendera bwe wagamba according to what we can see.
No, I don't have control on the end results. It could be a hit, may not be a hit, but me have forecasted it's not going to be a hit. It's going to be like any other average song. Just watch it. You kota rugogo ati nanka umye song for falling te anjere.
Falling kanga za by the falling
is just an average song. Akaza rugogo ya emerezo mukona ati falling ni mujimanya bata mutwa bichenga. Wajire.
Ninga binje nano mana nka batakumanya title yake song. So that was done MVP. Obutatulia inyuma ho atatulia. By the big shout out on people bari Facebook, bari on our TikTok live. Yeah, so nareba someone yanagera mu T-Paul yasemyaka musanzu note 5. Is that true?
And I didn't track that. It could be
yeah, akoba aine kubari wa 2017 around then,
because actually T-Paul is after Martin left
still about T-Paul.
Actually no, T-Paul is around 6 years. There's a reason why I'm saying 6 years, because I remember my kid is now 6 years, and I remember by that time my kid Martin was staying in my neighborhood Kantakaziri, and Martin was still in Alpha. So when Martin so Paul is around 6 years. So
still about by the war arichinda chingwena ngote for clarity. There some people atena babuza batwana babuza cyo kintu yaranga kibuza ati Paul yakibuza usati yacishobora nanobuna buza matene tarachisohiri abo cyo songore cha ati Paul chembo areche songore arembohe ya ati Paul arembo ya Martin. Have you ever known abwenchi chirisi?
No, now one you need to know cyo ine kumanya nchiribati. All projects are under Alpha. All projects, Matebi yakozere, T-Paul yakozere, they are under Alpha Music. All projects are under Alpha Music. Now Alpha Music has the right now. Here is a T-Paul.
So I never knew that. So atana basa kwata project ya nanka ni
na basa kurugata Bruno ati nyinoga ruko project yachi ya tibye mizano, because it's a project for Alpha Music. All songs done by T-Paul, all were done by Martin under Alpha. They are project for Alpha Music, so they reserve all the right. Kati Paul bakajya ngo yeshongara tibye mizano nari bakajya turugaho ene song ikimateno cyo yakozere bakajya ngo chiti Paul cyo koze nebya. Now because now Alpha tayinebwire bo kuza kwirukangara mati ni bamurekana waze kweyiya.
So Johnny clarity about abanje mutanu muyabuza abwenchi arembohe ya T-Paul abwenchi arembohe ya Martin bajya ngo projects zo mbonka botuzo zabo project neza Mat neza Alpha Music. So I know take over your mwena
wakwenda ngo ukorechi.
Okay, so now to your show. Ebiri komi byo kuyikome.
My show is happening ebiri komi okuyikome, batawe barabantu bombagenda ma misleading abantu. Beazini na hamwe na Kansaramon.
Ngwenchi kandi.
Mbashabire nti ikivuro cyanje bakireke. Mbashabire nti Beazini na Kansara please mureke gamba kivuro cyanje because timukuchenga what I'm doing. You're calling it a concert, it's not a concert. Me, I'm not doing a concert. Me, I'm doing an event for me and my people. So me and my people, me I know who my people are.
So what are they? You will not be surprised.
No, kandi nicho nzinza ku inviting akansara na tariki weye na Beazini nza kubeta bize bamanye kimbere nikora niki. Iyo toka bakora
basobora tukirabekiruho n'iki ngo bacenge ujya umwanya go gumizamo.
Nyo tinkweta gakora boya Beazini, tinkweta gakora boya Kansaramoni mufomi kugira no I don't need the yes they are good ikinde cyakora mbashicenga but tingo na promotion yanyu. Mima event yanje
tokwenda masangana za event
baye na criticizing they have a right to criticize. Ongero gambira abantu ngo kinyo ninkora tinkucicenga tukumangwa nikiya you're misleading my people. Anta kwamba trusting MVP mbakura yongwa mbagamba chebi.
So to the point 10
October it's happening.
What is
my people have been my lineup.
Abashira right now abantu bino kusobera. Who should we expect?
No, my event there's Omega, there's Katarian Kando, there's T-Paul, there's a Supplies Act Regis coming in komujenyi kuchiringa na onkabandi no ndizo. And they have a lineup of DJs. The best DJs in Mbara are going to be there. There's going to be a red carpet experience. If you are a blogger, if you are an influencer, you want to associate with these artists, come and see them in one place. Producers are going to be there. So my people
in sort of connection.
I've created the hub where you can come and catch up with your favorite personality. Be a songwriter, be a producer, be a presenter, be a promoter. Another thing, that's what I'm saying. It's not a concert because concert no ndakora about fans. Me I don't have fans. Me I'm not a person because if you've been following me, I've impacted on you. That's when you're supposed to come. Watch them.
It's so rare kusanga bloggers are being celebrated.
No, me I'm talking to people who
is that? Mr. Ospinax. That is a video.
Yeah, I think Ospinax video director mjongu na abasera video kana marakora video zanyu zibora ati niza kumbuza izoberyo iyo video z'abana abakinzibora
bije bakwatagane nawe batiste bareba ko arabajira.
Yeah, so Ospinax naone enda gora table. So those are the guys. Iwara video director enda gora table. You otine na mitware biruka kumbuza ngo ningora
just at bakansaramu na takucenga no bashobora bajotaza cyo mutakucenga kiri kitana
promotion ya kansaramu ntingwe da promotion ya be
tagato kamanya nabantu babire
cyangwa kibarakore
baje bakomara
kibarakore baje ngo MVP kugira ngo kintu cyo nokora twino mbwigana ngo ofune akugura teba show yawe kuciringana nabantu ba have no problem with that. Wachireba kana challenge nyine every time I do events, bantu bandiraho. The last time muna akoze charity show, abantu bakabazo abahunda de bong tuntu yamba bana byo sente bazirya bonga. So I decided let me do things every centered on me. Because you kore chinto kamangu chiyamba abantu bona batina bakozo bakajigobam.
So that is MVP about his show.
So my show is happening on 10th October. Tickets are currently online. Unaweza link baza Facebook page ya Linkero. You support. You want mango have had an impact on you. Or whatever you do, whatever you analyze, help you somehow to understand the music industry of Western Uganda. Come through and support the event. Watch it. But think when za pressure nyote nyine ba fans nguriokwe. Manye no muntu okumangu I be impacted by what I do.
So that is done MVP on 10th October. Mwije akuyabagambira Omega 256 will be performing ngokuyabagambira and alongside the live band.
Ahina bakugira ngo Brad Sparks na live band. Kumbe wako kikayo live band etere byabo atuyamba nawaza kweshongore bye atine live no. This time Omega is performing with the band. If you've loved Omega's music on CD, now she's going to be singing them off band. kwenda ngo ikintu kinyume. Then hari abantu abine za issues zabo, abine issues zabo, please issues zawe ziguma nazo, reka kuzitransferinga iwe ikintu utakukikirizamo iwe kireke. Let those who
be impact
bakitambuze.
So that is the MVP ko kuyabagambera on 10th October naza kuba ari ahasoho. Tell us
it's a Thursday
not by it will be after it will be a day after independence.
A day after independence.
So no ijako extending
umuntu agire ngo simanyi ngwari hariya iwe izoro akanorwe ngo turashemererwe tukanyumerwa just in an environment that is convenient for you to enjoy.
Yeah. So are there any sponsors yet abu akubasa kurabyo?
SM Tours and Travel. SM Tours and Travel.
Magazine.
Ogunwe yabirali manager wa Omjenzi Freeman, Happy Freeman. Mr. Steven, umuntu murunyira supporting industry, so he sponsored me. Then in the Grace Beauty na kora makeup, very good woman, umukazi w'umutima. Na wari Yoga Grace and with sponsorship. Of course in a Fifi collections, in a Acacia, D3 concepts na over habo. So the guys were coming through support. Then nisima na influencers, so many influencers are on board to support me. Ndona kasende kakarebeche, but as soon as the money comes through, naomba kwamba ba fuel kulango kintu bakitambuzaje. So that's what it is. So think kwenda nguja kandi kindi wota kichenjire please. Amani ngo gateko wa shukrani. Uyango cyanye kizakikuteza umutwe. Please let's support also shukrani.
Shukrani now will be there after Dan MVP.
19, not after Dan. After mugamba after. No, tingwa no kugambe cyanje kugambe cha shukrani. Shukrani will be there on 19th. Na wari independent kwa mutanyangu eche
that will be 10 days after you show.
Ko banoroketinga ahituri ukajya kunobanza wa ikakizimbe.
Shukrani university in.
Nacho nchemarira cyonkecho.
Dan basam. Yeah, so jonito na niona nkani yoskede itu ine hwagataho then ndebire by the way Paulo na
batinde kudikiriyaringa.
Why what are they waiting for?
Kugambira nyunkanye ne atwaka na maro mu stock kwezi nyine ntinde kugitayo adere yaba kuza kudera you know what it means to do SWAT university in. But I wish them good luck because T-Paul is been my main man for years and we have a huge connection together, me and T-Paul. But however, I'm not supporting this current project. I'm not in for it. I'm basically in for a standalone T-Paul. T-Paul wa tam, T-Paul wa story, T-Paul wa Echumuroz, wa Butabika, wa Echirabo. That's the T-Paul. That's my T-Paul. Aba ngunimanyi mfechias woman no echumba kuchegire echo. I'm not in for that. Then anachini arabe shongozi naye kito utakinje abe shongozi abakusigninga to management. This is my advice to you. Abe shongozi abakusigninga to management, please. Wano manto kwenda kura tirebiragiro bya management, please. Mureke kuzo management si kumukazishishira sente mukagitiro bwiri. Kane chindi I'm happy for Van Aran kusigninga umushoba kweta Irema.
Van Aran agachura music.
I'm happy for Van Aran.
For Van Aran or for Irema?
For Van Aran abe na Abraham abe na aronzirizi na ryabura akazomba umba musana production yabateka musente nyinji bamwiba yazaho yabura kugira relevance. So ati yabura yaza TikTok izina rekiremere but ni mpame yagarko music na kugira man. What I like about him, he understands the industry ni taga sente. And Vanara naza kujishika but this time Vanara ni yotinko eta kompishire. Please invest in other people. Abara kuyamba kintu cyawe nyonko muntu ndeke. I request just na kurabize kintu cyawe nyonko muntu ndeke. Hereza abandi opportunities bakuyambe ba promoting gwa Irema ako byanje ni uno bimanya. But me I'm happy kugira ngo wagaruka mu industry wa identifying a potential talent because Irema kandi kintu cya Irema ye mu bunyacyaro. If you have signed to a management, one, behave ebyo kushanga oryabo rumukoro gona gwambarara bakwesire tubakwesire
basanga bara obasanga naruga bare jo musanga arabe songo zabara basa kusaba they are always doing bar hopping aho batamwesere aho bamwesere everywhere yabona naba
nwayi nakabunu kariyaho naenda kacunda cunda nkantu bakarebe please
akabunu kayirema afachina ko music
concentrate and you music ushanga nazora misho naenda kuba nyashi
kwa kujihuba DJ apurenge chesongoro cyana abaya
kuba nyashi anambaza kuba if kuzora misho anambaza kuzoza misho concentrate and do music MVPs ya to support
ni maicho chinjira about the management wasanga manager wo inata kwikiriza gukora that bar hopping tokashikora
ati vanana inobire kuza kumwirukanga kumugambire
ebyo vanana labana itajira ground manager.
That's why I tell you have to concentrate, sacrifice a certain lifestyle so that you can move your career forward. Never in a zero, you want your music to work. You want your music to work.
Does that mean
so much as you want your music to work, please sacrifice and ignore some lifestyles and concentrate and do good music. Nera ndizo mwesongozo ndizo tingo na mugamba nizina. Bakamusayininga yashoze cyeshongurizo barimwe izo bari yakabiri boss yamuteka ikindi ekiye cyamerwa acyo nakitambura
kagambira umparambuzi
ayo nagambira mu nyamba nyoti nkinde bwire bo kuyamba abantu mwe tinkinde bwire bo kuyamba me as a MVP whatever I do tinkinde bwire bo kuyamba so muronda abandi babayambe mutambuze wakayanyu because I believe there are so many people with so much potential yokubaza kuretera wakayanyu yagira awareness so mureke kwese bare MVP ngo abayambe burusha nyoti nkiyamba so those who are willing to help, there are so many in the market, they have a following, they also have avenues through which they can maximize your work in the market, but wizo wanyu nyambe nyoti nkiyamba.
So that is an MVP, of course. Unka ikintu cha Irema tanashinga Irema management agifunira real because nyewe what I know kanamurebera kintu hero kabaine his former man ikiniro kibekiri hizo. So one day later
one day na
twire time a drop injere management yabira rumuninga van arana
management yabira mu ekaba cash trapped kana nekindi
but I saw her with her former manager
no former manager we uhana mugambire kintu manager we bakamwiba munonga wakasasanya
mukosi
kandi akizo mu industry bakimwetaha no gure kijiko abayagiro no gure chikopo manager abayekiro ngunagize kandi abakudiringana kana byabe na dealing nabo ne ba vouchers the called music vouchers nimamba kuriya burisa chimbara meding tufunire tebo abayekiro Ireme mirunde ya isongorire ahari mbara medi ineche songoro cyecora huriro mbare ndijo mbadije bakufitero muri mbara medi pakiyaga mu byesho ecesongoro kimwe na bibiri bakakitero mbare zindi
nabargano babiteraho bacirga bare nchakare baza radio appraise yakubaine hataro cyo cyakubananza
yeah so that's why I think so the next manager should know mureke bareke kubakozesa munonga ubwo manager wa Irema akaza ariyoku ushangana agora nanka tebo buri made in mbara akagura tebo buri made in mbara aine tebo ya
managers binashima industry ivire mba users
so be sensitive man mugaruko mu industry bakari creative na man mukora decisions so na neji mbara made I want them also to be serious kabara made
they not
abana babine mo bwesije binji they believe your platform no kusa twara talent night omnikozi ba at least okobori ya uri mix urumwana yarabya mu cyeshongoro after some time meaning ekera avenue yo identifying abana bakapushinga wakaya but I don't know what made of welding bara does. It's just getting people there content yao bakagikoresa ku enriching themselves bakuje expanding ngwe kundwe nabandi I don't know. So ni shaba Mr. Alberto Beazin mu revising mu kintu cyane mu identifying abana bariyo mu barete musasanya music yabo because you people have the influence kusasanya music yabo eka in other places but baina ngo bashongore bakomaho nibaza mu bakomaho.
So ladies and gentlemen, we are done MVP and twagamba about the project Sensho Hwire, a project ya T-Paul na Naya Rage, twagamba double ya Omega 256 and still twagamba about his show it gonna on the 10th of October. So tell us then still about the issues ya management si na no signing abe songozi and being used. Yeah, so
photo shoots no manya. Let me tell you another thing. One signing contract and not presenting to the public was signing a contract. The contract is signed when there are two parties and the witness. Tokutera chwani muri abantu babiri. Tukaraga chwani cha Premier League umuzani yana signing a contract. Nyina nariyaha umuzana riyaha coach ariyaha.
So does that mean abantu basigning omweshongoza leta bishenkuru?
There should be a witness, maybe nyina ho nari nunka witness. Batatu
abakade to kubateka music. Wari okay kasa dito abakade to kuza kubanyumiza bari yo ko mucyaro behinzi.
Atisi baho no muntu wa kasatu. Wachireba? Wachireba? Mitarebe binarebero ngunu black tears. Wajiri wa roji just for photo shoots ngwajiri.
What if there are people in the back end? Okareba shabeshiga na karenya maichan behind the scenes.
The instance of a shoot ya signing contract confirming to the public, those three people must be there. A witness, the party that has signed, and the party that is hiring. So
is it?
So inanebi avana neberaka clip ngiyamsigning emyaka 10 ninda ayirema ari muri mu ka video kwa cinema fuzi kandi ayirema what I association naye ayirema what I advise you ruga advice ya ba ferias o music
abona tajire cheborkani
ruga no naza kwikayo batange kumweshongoza nkavana jengwa anyino ishongore style eji bade ba ferias utanke mugamba wejo style yawe vanana yo nakushisha vanana tire sente zeye wena amenyesha kwenda kuzihamu. If you've subscribed to 10 years or 5 years in the mu contract yanye zimpurire, be able to abide to what you've signed to. Our advisors no bokuretera poko. Be mindful of that, but concentrate on impressing your management. Yekorogwa pushing. Your role now in management is to sing.
But I think right now at Nanka no general Vanana no gashoro music in Nigeria realizing the mistakes as yakoze robwa huire this time around kateke naza kuba ali naza kuba Nanka na ariya line.
Vanana.
Still is it more fire ninga hata izinana kendi?
More fire, but Vanana has learned nothing, has forgotten nothing. So I don't expect anything.
Ako tukasigaho. So abantu baturi by last word to the people abantu baturi.
Abantu nimbasima, thanks for believing in MVP, thanks for supporting MVP, and thanks for sharing and promoting music from Western Uganda. It's you that's making everything happen. One like him and like Sishatu in a changes creator music here Western Uganda. So 19th October MVP, celebrating MVP, it's happening. Omega is the headliner. So what we know kuna music come through and chill. Me, I'm not on any pressure, but I request like all yoke and you feel like me have my people who are coming through. My people who are coming through. One bashatu they are coming through to chill with me that day. One or abagiga Kampala na hiring awiro aizamwe shongoro mu compound yeye na nabajibei. Mama who story ya brick and less.
So we shouldn't expect numbers.
I don't expect so many people. I expect people that have invited, that people have contributed to make this a success. But however, I don't need to deny fans a chance to come through. That's why you're required to pay 20k to come and chill and have a good evening with the MVP and his people. So when I'm using Nisima na management, actually Nisima management says surviving careers pre-exit na Jose. I'm happy Jose has an EP out. In Echeshongoro right now he's pushing the song Follow. Please muchironde muchikunde kandi muchisharing, it's a good project. Prince Exit in Echeshongoro that's doing very well. They are working on shooting another project. So that shows the industry is getting some energy. Then I don't know nisho musigazi. But on your music ya nanka omujiji gwa ba T-Paul, omujiji gwa ba Regi, omujiji gwa ba Omega, omujiji gwa ba Jose umugizi gwaba Truth niyo ningurugamo atugire umugizi utonzo mu generation ya Bowman
ari
ari
mwaki Because ubwo guy kandi mbuza ya the other day was asking instrument ahabwencha abana bari mu wing yawe tingo manya naboja ekizobe kibine naboja those abana bari yobona think hamya high no in management bono bakora music yoko bashemeza but tibine certain team eriko exploring the business side of their music.
What new generation ya Bowman.
There is another guy called Labella Music.
Labella Music. Nibamweto wa Bowman are much I've not met him. I know one can meeting once or instrument. Yes, I met him once an instrument, but we didn't have a conversation. We were high no movie platinum movie print here. So he has a song but cheta one check. That's the generation in him. So man
or cross generation
man mungambire bya muninya munyonyi mani murani munga okondugire okare okotin
Valentino mwana katera Valentino kajanga YouTube naibuza is this runyankoro na crowd format song
Valentino wancheke cyatse new style indi mu ebinde ebyo mu enjoying ebene byanyu but me have already moved ahead.
Yeah, so
I'm now enjoying.
So instrumental we need to know those guys from your wing ekiba kubaramu but they need to start exploring the business side of their music ninga si kuchika kupushinga na ku marketing their music but all in all they have good music and it nkitu hano nkakole media we endorse whatever ekikorwa mu side yanyu.
And then because are much Simon any Labella Music those are the people now.
The guy Agaba Banjo.
And Agaba Banjo was good on Confessions.
Banjo, I think he has a problem with his mental health.
Then kana hondizo I've forgotten the name.
By the way, Ambro was a good song this time around. And
that's an EP.
Yeah, like this as a song every year EP. This time around njera inyuma hakaenda kugaruka munanka nze kandi agaruka muzara yi.
Kinshaba abantu please kinshaba abantu. By the time you decide to make an EP, okwenda budget ya promotion.
Ukora EP noje.
Turarete bizubya obyona bya EP ngoze kubizizika Brad Sparks, uze kubisindika Asumani, uze kubisindikira Kansaramon wobe azini ngunyamba. No. By the time you've invested in an EP, that's the challenge I have with the OSAM management. Audio mbajikora wa Bruno, video bajishutingira Kampala, bijambarara mutu yambe ati industry yambara yoneganyirwa mukaye. If you don't want to put money on promoters.
So this is done MVP not that we need is over. The next time after kumuga can't this time around that will be towards his show.
Press conference.
No, I want this time around to share your story on industry because sometimes you want you have no ijano yo gamba bako bahati. So the next time after write done MVP naza taking us through his 12 years journey of promoting Western Ghana music. The ups, the downs and whatever it has all been. Naza kubana butarabuza mbyona the next time we bring him here. So and of course now on the Brother Sparks Savage area camera this is Nkole Media TV.